Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is super moist meatloaf. You can serve it with steamed veggies or as for us, some of us add it with mashed potato and steamed veggies and some of us with rice. I mean, me. I love everything with rice. What can I say? I'm Asian. Anyway, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Again, it is super nice and super moist. See ya! Soak one piece or one slice of bread with about 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk. Let it soften a bit. For easy cleaning, I cover my pan, loaf pan or whatever pan you use with aluminum foil. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it's quicker for me to clean it. But first, of course, we have to coat it with cooking spray. So this is 2 pounds of ground beef with half cup of sugar-free barbecue sauce, 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 whole eggs, half cup of diced onion, 2 teaspoons of parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, fine sea salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and freshly cracked black pepper. And we also gonna add our softened bread, and we're just gonna mix this. For the pepper, I like using this one because you get colorful pepper, black, white, and red. Almost forgot that I also added a couple drop of deep intense smoke liquid. It has roast onion and smoked sugar. I'm not even sure what smoked sugar is, but sounds yummy. So I did that a couple of, and this is from Nor. I added a couple of drops of those. Now if you like, you can add MSG too, it's up to you. Now we're just gonna mix it. I keep saying that and we still haven't mixed it, but we will. Don't forget your soaked a piece of bread. Once loaf is ready or mixed, the mixture is mixed, just dump them onto your prepared baking pan. Bake it on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. While meatloaf is cooking, in a bowl, mix 1/3 cup of 0 calories ketchup with 1 heaping teaspoon of mustard and 2 heaping tablespoons of demerara style brown sugar. This is gonna be the topping of your meatloaf. Obviously, you can use regular ketchup, but I am using up my 0 calories ketchup, just like I was using my sugar-free barbecue sauce. You can definitely use regular barbecue sauce. Take out meatloaf from the oven, and you want to turn up your oven temperature to 400 Fahrenheit. Then we're gonna preheat that oven again. And now we're gonna brush our meatloaf with our prepared topping sauce. Once the meatloaf is covered with the topping sauce, I have a little bit left over there earlier, we're gonna bake it at preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Take out from the oven and let it stand for 10 to 15 minutes before you slice it. Obviously, you can serve your meatloaf with steamed veggies and mashed potato, but this family is all about rice. This is really moist and nice.